Yeah. Okay. Enough with the funny videos. Let's be real right now. Mississippi. Mississippi just passed Jim Crow laws. I'm going to say this again. Mississippi just passed Jim Crow laws. Now, here's the thing, right? I'm noticing that the way that they're trying to start this war is a mental silent war. If you are a hot-headed temperament person, a lot of y'all are going to be saying y'all ready to do this and do that and execute and do certain things, right? But fail to realize this. Even Malcolm X got a reading in Africa when he went. Even the French, even Haiti and Jamaica did readings before they went into war with the French and the Spaniards. Okay? And did rituals to prevail and have bullets go through them. Dr. Gullah, if you don't know who that is, was a slave that was brought to South Carolina that told them, and he had a target on his head, that once you kill him, everything from Colombia on down, even Gullah Island and so much more, was going to have horrible times and curses until you get it together. What y'all fail to realize is, before you just decide to march, because marching don't do anything. Before you decide to rally, because rally don't do anything. Besides you doing anything, don't you think you need to get a reading and do the reading instructions and the rituals that will help your life, your family, and your people? Again, a mental war.